Turkey stands out as a unique bridge that connects the Asian and European continents. Because it is surrounded by water on three sides, it gains great strategic importance. Although many civilizations have ruled here throughout history, the country holds a central place in the world. Not only does it possess rich natural beauties, but its climate diversity also charms visitors every season. As a result, it turns into a magnificent intersection point of different cultures. Anatolian lands go down in history as one of the oldest settlement areas for humanity. Civilizations pass down their rich cultures here, from Hittites to the Ottoman Empire. When you walk around, you can look for ancient cities and temples in every corner. While mysterious sites like Göbekli Tepe bring about huge changes in history, they also present fascinating evidence. Therefore, this territory acts as a deep, open-air museum. Istanbul stands out as one of the most special cities in the world. The two sides of the Bosphorus Strait show off both Eastern and Western cultures at the same time. Historical landmarks like Hagia Sophia and the Galata Tower stand out against the skyline. Even though modern life takes over, the city keeps up with a fast and non-stop energy. Because it mixes up past and future, visitors find out amazing contrasts in every street. Turkish cuisine stands out as one of the richest culinary cultures globally. Because regional diversity sets apart each city, you can come across different flavors everywhere. Kebabs, olive oil dishes, and fresh seafood appeal to every single palate. In addition, traditional breakfasts bring together families for long conversations. As people sip freshly brewed Turkish tea, it turns into an essential part of daily life. Turkey sets up a wonderful visual feast with its nature in every season. The fairy chimneys of Cappadocia make up a magical wonderland. While white travertines of Pamukkale stand out like a piece of art, the blue bays of the Aegean draw in holidaymakers. As the green plateaus of the Black Sea spread out, they give off a peaceful atmosphere for nature lovers. Consequently, these landscapes keep on amazing travelers. Turkish people stand out with their traditional hospitality everywhere. Whenever you drop by a local house, hosts hand out a hot cup of tea or coffee first. Locals go out of their way to help strangers with a warm smile. Because friendliness takes over daily interactions, Turkey turns into a safe destination for foreigners. Thus, every visitor fits in easily and feels at home. Turkish cultural heritage mixes up traditional handicrafts with modern arts. Artisans hand down traditional skills like Ebru art, tile making, and carpet weaving to new generations. Traditional music brings out deep emotions through local instruments. While local dances show off cultural diversity, festivals bring together communities. Since art reflects society, you can pick up artistic vibes everywhere. Turkey brings in millions of tourists every single year. The country sets up a wide range of options, from ancient ruins to luxury resorts. As holiday resorts like Antalya and Bodrum draw in crowds, travelers look for coastal adventures. Whether you hang out in quiet bays or try out outdoor sports, options are endless. Because tourism goes on across 4 seasons, it stands out as a top destination. Turkey stands out with its growing industry and strong manufacturing capacity. Key sectors like automotive and textiles take up a large share in global markets. As engineers carry out technical projects, investments speed up the economic future. Because a young population steps into the workforce, it brings in fresh energy and innovation. Therefore, strategic locations help out international trade routes. Turkey keeps up with the modern world while it preserves its historical roots. Technological advancements and educational updates bring about a brighter future. As green projects take over, sustainability stands out as a main target for development. Because the country looks forward to global peace and growth, it presents a visionary profile. Thus, Turkey goes on shining brightly in its region and the world.